Hey everyone, TechSphere here, and this is how you can insert your SD card or your SIM card into your Samsung Galaxy Note 9. So the first step in doing this is taking out the SIM ejection tool that is found in the paperwork with your phone. Next is identifying the hole on the top of the phone towards the left side. Poke it inside there and your SIM tray will come out. The smaller left-hand tray is for your SIM card. Put that in face side up and it will click right in and you'll know if it fits or not. And the larger slot is for your micro SD card. Again, put that in face up and you'll be able to tell when it fits in. When you have that set up, slide it in the same way that you took it out of your phone and it should align perfectly. Your phone may restart with a new SIM card, but if you go into the power and storage section of your phone and then you go into storage and then you can find your SD card, and if you click the little settings icon in the upper right hand corner, you can safely unmount it if you ever want to remove it. Anyway, I hope this video helped. Leave any questions in the comments and make sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.